fifth winner this evening is Indra Water from the business category. Please join me in welcoming co-founder Krunal Patel to the stage.
In 2018, a farmer in Surat
turned on the tap to his irrigation tank and froze. What he saw was unclear water. It wasn't just muddy water, it was bright orange polluted water. Bright orange. It was in that moment the farmer realized water, the very source of our life, was under attack. Now, why was this farmer's borewell picking up polluted water all of a sudden? The answer was in the industrial belt that had sprung up nearby. The factories there were using a practice known as reverse boring, letting untreated effluent back into the ground, polluting our freshwater reserves. For many of them, treating their wastewater the conventional way, using harsh chemicals and bacterial agents, was inefficient, expensive, and frankly, just a hassle. That's where we come in. Hi, I'm Krunal. This is my co-founder, Amrit. Together, we started Indra Water, where we believed there had to be a better, smarter way to treat water. For Amrit and I, water shaped our lives very differently. I grew up visiting factories with my father, where the stench from effluent treatment plants always bothered me. While for Amrit, water was often a luxury. His family had to plan their days around filling up buckets. It was a daily struggle. Years later, Amrit and I met at the University of Washington in Seattle. Among many things, we connected over our love for automobiles. We were truly fascinated with the precise, structured world of auto manufacturing, where we had experienced the power of standardization, the power of modularity, and most importantly, the power of electricity. When we got the opportunity to work in the field of water, seeing existing solutions anguished us, just didn't make sense. Then we pondered the way cars were transitioning from fossil fuels to cleaner electricity. What if we could bring the same kind of a revolution into water treatment? That was our Henry Ford moment. So we developed ElectroX, our patented, non-contact, microelectrolysis-based wastewater treatment technology. ElectroX removes some of the most stubborn, tough-to-treat pollutants with a simple impact of electricity. Our process does this in just a few seconds compared to hours in conventional alternatives. And we are already seeing it transform industries. Take a jeans processing factory in NCR, for example. The factory was only able to operate for a single shift due to limited water supply and an inefficient wastewater management system. After installing ElectroX, we were able to treat and recover 90% from the wastewater, sending it back for process reuse. This meant that the factory that was using 8,000 liters to process a single pair of jeans, yes, 8,000 liters for a single pair. With the help of ElectroX, the factory was using the same 8,000 liters to process 10 pairs of jeans. That's a 10-fold impact. This eventually led to the factory doubling its production capacity, in fact, even hiring additional workforce to keep up. But we are not just saving water, we are also saving space. The conventional wastewater treatment plants are massive, sometimes even the size of this auditorium. Ours, for the same capacity, it's compact enough to comfortably fit on this stage. In a typical three-acre factory, that's about 10,000 square feet of space that is unlocked. Imagine the value of that space in a place like Noida. Imagine the potential for the business to expand and scale up. In fact, our focus on scalability makes our modules even more accessible. A factory owner can start off small and later add on as and when he grows. For us, manufacturing and stacking our reactors, simple, just like a battery pack on an assembly line. This kind of a scalability was something unheard of in the water treatment business. Over the past 6 years, we have treated 2.5 billion liters of wastewater. It's almost half the capacity of Mumbai's Powai Lake. And we are just getting started. In the next 5 years, we plan to treat over 500 billion liters, impacting over 10 million lives. Now, this is not just about one factory or one farmer. It's about ensuring that anyone, anywhere in India, when they turn on their tap, they get clean water and not industrial waste. It's about giving our industries the necessary tools to grow faster, smarter, without impacting the environment, but that too at an attractive return on investment. It's about treating water with the care it deserves. For water, it's not just life, it's our future currency. I invite you all to join us on our journey, to join on Indra's mission to building a water-secure future for all. Thank you.
Could you fit all of this in just one closet? That's exactly what Team Indra has achieved.
Well, kind of.
They have shrunk this enormous wastewater treatment plant into just 50 square feet.
And it's all thanks to our patented process, ElectroX, a game-changing process that zaps pollutants, creating supercharged molecules that cleans water instantly. Going from this to this in just a few seconds. But what truly sets our product apart is that it is modular, scalable, and upgradable. And it's a true plug-and-play solution for an industry that's never seen anything like it before. From chemical factories to luxury hotels, Indra is already cleaning water efficiently across industries.
For revolutionizing water treatment in India, Indra is the proud winner of Marico Innovation Foundation's Indian Innovation Icons 2025.
Thank you, Krunal. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand to Krunal and the team at Indra Water. I would now like to request Amrit Omnayak, co-founder Indra Water, to join us on stage and to present the award, and Council member Dr. Ashish Lele to the stage. You can welcome them with a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much.
Let's make some noise for Indra Water. Congratulations to the team at Indra Water.